Hello guys, it's a girl Chini. Just like I promised the last time I was here, I said I was going to be coming here more often than not for us to be doing more product unveiling and more product reviews. So today we're going to be looking generally on Bosch. We are here at Mamtools Nigeria. We want to see what they have to offer as regards to Bosch Power Tools. So guys, here with me today is Chisom. She is Mamtools sales rep for Bosch Hand Power Tools. She's going to be taking us today on a tour, or should I say she's going to be walking us around on more products review and the unveiling of as regards to hand power tools Bosch. So let's go there.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you.
Welcome to Mamtools Nigeria. And today we're going to be talking about Bosch brand, Bosch Power Tool. So please come forward so we could introduce one or two items. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about one or two of Bosch tools. You can see there are so many of them. We don't even know where to start from. But okay, so today we are going to start with fast selling. So we're going to be looking at the angle grinder. This is the baby angle grinder.
How many? What's the size?
Okay, this 115 mm, 4.5 inch.
Okay.
So depending on what the person tell you, some people will tell you and they'll come and tell you they want a finger grinder or a baby grinder.
Okay.
Just come to mind. This is
what they refer to.
They want, yes. So also we have the GSB cordless drill, GSB 180 Li. This does both hammer and drilling. It comes with 2 battery and a charger, 18 volts. We have the Makita blower, we have our leveling instruments, we have the line lasers, we have the tile laser, we have the heat gun, we have our jigsaw. Okay, so today we are going to be unveiling our major and big sale. This is not really the biggest, but it's one of the fast movers. So we have GSH demolition breaker or demolition hammer,
this is quite
like
huge.
they call it. So please, you could come here and take a look.
Huge.
it is, but it is for our demolition work. If you want for people that are into the construction company that would want to demolish a building, and instead of using hammer to hit, you just need this, plug it into your cable reel, or where
Power source.
a power source, exactly.
Okay.
You put in your chisel. Please.
Let's see.
Yes.
Oh my god.
So this is a pointed chisel. You attach to the mouth here. It's almost coupled, so you don't really need much work.
To fix this.
Exactly.
Okay.
Plug it in and you are good to go.
Okay.
This is GSH 16-28. We also have GSH 27 VC. We have GSH 11E. We have GSH 500. Depend on your capacity and what exactly you want to do. So
okay.
This is heavy duty.
Heavy duty.
The trolley alone is a lot.
Okay.
Also, we have our dumping level, also known as automatic level. We have the GOL 32D, also one of our fast sellers. So these are for people that are into
surveyors and all that.
Exactly. These are into road construction. It comes with the tripod. It comes with the staff, the leveling rod. Then this does the main work, because you need this to know the level of the land and what you're surveying.
Okay.
Yeah, we also have the GWM 32D measuring wheel. If you want to know the distance between where I am and where she is, even without using your tape, you can use this is digital. Just put it on, you control it at this point, it gives you the distance. Very, very, very affordable and durable.
Can we see what the inside? Okay, it's sealed.
It's sealed, yes. Or if you want to get good Bosch, please look out for this. There's a barcode that comes with every Bosch you get. Please look out for every barcode to know, and you need to see that it is sealed. Once the seal is broken, please ask them why. And there's always a barcode on each Bosch to confirm if it's original or not.
Are you saying there are fake Bosch and genuine Bosch?
Absolutely.
Oh,
absolutely. There are. Yeah,
Okay.
and now Mamtu's boast of original Bosch, original tool, original power tool, original things,
Genuine products.
genuine products.
Thank you.
So those are few. There are so many, so much, but these are just few of the ones we pointed out.
Thank you for that product unveiling and all that. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
So I learned you guys have an online store
Yes,
where
we do.
customers who already know you exist go to place their orders.
Absolutely.
Okay, so how do you get to service clients and prospective customers who don't know you have an online store and who don't know where you are located?
Okay. Most times we go for road walks.
I
We
see.
go for exhibitions where we get to share our flyers and so many other exchange. We have also have a Mamtus magazine where we
Okay.
get to give out potential customers.
Okay.
They see what few things that we're into. They call us. They send us an email
Okay.
and reach an agreement. And then at the part of servicing most of the machines, we have agreements with big companies or
Customers.
customers. Either the machine are faulty, because these are parts, definitely they will have one or two challenges. So
Okay.
either they call us or go to them.
Okay.
We have our after sales support,
Okay.
we have our workshop, we have our after sales team that take care of every
The
other
repair
issue
aspects.
regarding
Okay.
these machines. Also, you could place an order, your order, or for a friend at www.mamtus.ng, or you could send us an email at mamtus@mamtus.ng, or you could walk into our showroom at 87 Palm Avenue, Mushin, Lagos, or you could call us on either of our numbers on our website, or you could place your order directly on our website within Lagos. Definitely, so long the item is in stock, you will get same day delivery.
That's good.
Within Nigeria, 48 hours maximum, by the grace of God.
So guys, you've heard from Bantu Sales Rep Chisom. She has done really a good job on the tour. So guys, I don't know what else you could be waiting for. Go place your order right now on their website www.mantus.ng, and if you want to email them, kindly email them at mantus@mantus.ng. Their office showroom is located at 87 Palm Avenue, Munshi, Lagos. I don't know what else you could be waiting for. Why still do your work the manual way when you already have power tools that will aid you, allow you do your work fast, and allow you also increase productivity and efficiency? So guys, do justice for yourself. Kindly get what it takes for you to achieve lots more. But while you are that, kindly also think of safety. For everything, think safety. Hope you guys enjoyed today's tour. Guys, please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Subscribe, and I beg, I dey beg. For more products unveiling, so that you will be alerted each time I unveil products as regards to power tools, as regards to agriculture, as regards to hand tools. Kindly subscribe, I beg you. So, guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for tuning in once again. See you again some other time. Thank you.